Looking for a middleweight adventure bike that can handle daily commuting, weekend touring, and light off-road adventures? The 2026 Honda NX500 continues to build on Honda's reputation for reliability, comfort, and real-world usability. Before you decide if this adventure machine is right for you, here are 5 important things you need to know. 1. Proven 471cc twin-cylinder engine. The heart of the 2026 Honda NX500 is its reliable 471cc parallel twin engine. This powerplant delivers smooth and predictable performance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. The engine provides strong low and mid-range torque, helping riders enjoy relaxed city riding while still having enough power for highway cruising and long-distance travel. 2. Adventure styling. With everyday practicality. Honda designed the NX500 to look like a true adventure motorcycle while remaining practical for daily use. The upright riding position, tall windscreen, and comfortable seat make long rides less tiring. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring back roads on the weekend, the bike offers a comfortable riding experience throughout the day. 3. Lightweight and easy to handle. One of the biggest strengths of the NX500 is its manageable weight. Compared to larger adventure motorcycles, it feels easier to control at low speeds and in traffic. New riders moving up from smaller bikes will appreciate its confidence-inspiring handling, while experienced riders will enjoy its agility on twisty roads. 4. Modern technology and safety features. The 2026 NX500 comes equipped with modern rider-focused technology. Features such as a full-color TFT display, LED lighting, and Honda's selectable torque control help improve both convenience and safety. ABS braking remains a key feature, providing additional confidence in challenging road conditions. 5. Excellent value for adventure riders. The NX500 offers a balanced package of performance, comfort, fuel efficiency, and reliability. It delivers many of the benefits of larger adventure motorcycles without the higher cost, extra weight, or intimidating size. For riders seeking a practical adventure bike that can do a little bit of everything, the NX500 remains one of the strongest options in its class. The information in this video is based on available specifications, industry reports, and manufacturer announcements at the time of writing. Actual specifications, features, pricing, and availability may vary by market. Always check with your local Honda dealer for the most accurate and up-to-date information before making a purchase decision.